Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. I just wanted to make a quick video because I need a favor from you guys. I need to ask you guys for some help because a lot of really great YouTube channels have been helping me out lately. And to pay them some thanks and to show our support, I wanted to ask you guys as the Mid-Year Mitch community, which has been an absolutely awesome community to be a part of and to help create and just to see what you guys do with it. So I'm really excited about that, and I want to see if we can help these folks out. So first of all, let's thank Parker from Backyard Barn Finds. I was in his video last year for Corvettes at Carlisle, and he also featured me in his video this year where we did a walk around Corvettes at Carlisle, checked out some cars and some other parts and stuff. So make sure you check out his video and please subscribe to his channel. He's really close to 100,000 subscribers, so make sure you go show him some love and show him what the Mid-Year Mitch community can do. Also, Dynamic Corvettes just put out a video this past week or last week talking about Corvettes at Carlisle and talking about me. He really likes what I'm doing, and that was all really cool to hear. It was cool to meet him at Corvettes at Carlisle. He's a really nice guy, and he makes really nice parts. It's cool to see, you know, the master behind the parts that we've used so much on the channel. So that was really cool, and it's just humbling to hear stuff like that, that he thinks so highly of me. So I think that's really neat. And also he challenged me, friendly competition, to see who can get more subscribers. He wants to catch up to me. So I want to ask you guys to go subscribe to his channel as well, show him some support. Maybe that'll also help get me a discount on parts, low key. But also, you know, let's grow his channel up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you know, here's a shameless plug to see if you guys want to subscribe to my channel. In return, I have some future content coming. I want to try to grow the channel. Lately, I've just been making YouTube videos about what I do in the shop, and that's kind of what I've always done. But I think it's time to really grow the channel. We need to make some changes. So I have some new content that's going to be coming out here in the next few weeks. I'm still going to have all my builds. As you can see, we're stocked up on builds right now, so we're going to keep those coming. But I have some new content coming to hopefully grow the channel, and it should be exciting. So I'll have a video about that coming up soon. Also, shout out to my buddy Don Glaze. He has Geezer's Garage, so make sure you check out his channel if you haven't. I did a video on his white split window. He gave me a gas tank for the 55. We have some more work to do on Lucy, the 55 Chevy, so he helped me out there. So show him some support, and while we're at it, Kevin Tetz, you know, Paintucation. Why not? You know, his channel's really growing. He's an awesome guy, and he's been helping me out as much as he possibly can. So show some support to him if you get a chance. You know, Mazel, we have 4 on the list, including myself 5, you know, may as well. So just want to make a video about that. It's just really cool to have an awesome community like you guys on YouTube, and also the people behind the cameras as well. Parker's been giving me some pointers about YouTube, and you know, it's just a really good collaborative community. And I just wanted to come to you guys to ask you guys for some help because you guys are the best. I know I don't always get back to some people in comments, emails, text messages, phone calls. I haven't gotten any letters yet. YouTube comments, Facebook comments, Instagram comments. I have lots of sources. I don't always get back to people. It's really hard to keep up with everybody and to remember who I replied to and what car, you know, somebody has. So it's just hard for me to keep up, but I'm doing my best. I'm going to try to do better with that moving forward. But I'm going to try to move into a little more serious YouTube mode here and try to grow the channel, try to grow the community, because it helps myself out, it helps everybody out, it makes the videos better, everybody wins. So that's going to be the goal, is growth for the channel over the next few months, and we're going to see how that does. So again, guys, I appreciate it. Later this week, we'll have our Carlisle video, and then we're going to be jumping back into this car. I haven't done anything on it since the last video, so I need to do that. We need to do something. We need to get our hands dirty because these cars aren't going to get done just talking. Some people are really reluctant to subscribe to channels. I really don't know why. If I find a channel I like, I subscribe to it because I know it's so hard to get subscribers coming from this end of the camera. I always try to help out my fellow YouTubers. It doesn't cost you guys anything, it's free. And at the end of the day, it really helps out YouTubers. It helps the metric, it helps the channel grow, which just makes everybody's content better. So help a brother out. But as you can see, I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.